Hey guys, what's up? Kyle with Max Conversion here with you today to walk you through how to set up negative keyword scripts inside your Google Ads campaign and why they're beneficial. I'm going to show you guys a real life example here on how to set this up. So let's jump into it. The first thing that we're going to want to do is log into the account, go to tools, go to bulk actions, and then go to scripts over here. Next, what you're going to want to do is click on, add a script if you guys haven't added a script before. I'm going to walk you guys through our script, and it will be linked down below in the comments section as well as the description if you want access to this specific script. But basically the way this is set up is it prevents you from having to manually every day go into your search terms and remove poor quality searches. Saves you a ton of time, improves the quality. And if you guys are using a broad match campaign or broad match keyword and you guys are just trying to get low CPCs, this is the best strategy we found recently to get low CPCs and high quality. So first thing that you're going to want to do is replace your campaign ID here with the campaign that you are wanting to put in here. So the way you do this is we've got our campaign ID right there. You're going to go to the campaign. You're going to go to search columns and click in campaign ID. And then what you're going to see here is that right here. So you'll copy that, move it over, and paste it right here. Now, your required themes is these are the keywords that have to be included in your search term in order for it to not add as a negative. So for this campaign, we are doing HELOC loans. So we want something related to homes, house, loans, application, getting approved. And so here we see, HELOC, home, house, equity, refinance, refi, cash out, and, in a different way, mortgage, property, lender, VA loan, application, getting approved. Now, the reason why you guys want to have this and have as many as we do is so that you guys aren't cutting out any keywords that are not, are good quality, but you guys are accidentally cutting it out. So make sure that you're very thorough in the way you set up your themes, or constantly review what negative keywords are being added through this script. Here we have just some banned keywords. We just say, hey, we don't want these at all. And then some dollar amounts as well for this campaign. We say, hey, we don't want any dollar amounts for this under 20K. We've got some information here, but this is really kind of the meat and potatoes of it are these two, the required themes and the campaign ID. So switching those out. This is basically just, hey, we're logging it for you and we're logging it in a specific way. So if we go over to logs, what you're going to see here, if we go back, what you guys will see here is our campaign script here. And just the other day, we had about 1,600 negative keywords added. And if we go into logs, we've set this up in a way where you can easily see what keywords are removed and what keywords are approved. So, and you can also see the reasoning, right? So $1,000 loan today, the reasoning is a small dollar. This is there's just no theme associated with it, right? It didn't have HELOC, didn't have home loan, it didn't have anything. But then you can see these keywords that were kept, right? So we can see here, apply for HELOC, apply for home equity loan, apply for home loan, applying for HELOC. So these searches, we've got a lot being removed, and then we've got a lot being kept. And so this is giving us a good idea of, hey, what keywords might we add down the road? And you notice here that some are not perfect, right? So something like this, it's got equity and loan in it, which are themes that we want to include, but we're not doing car equity loans. So something you may want to do still is go through this and make sure that your keywords that are being removed as well as being kept, at least for the first week, make sure and verify that they're being correctly added and removed. So here's what we probably do is add the word car, go into our campaign and add that as a negative keyword. But we've used this script for many, many campaigns that have helped us lower CPCs, improve lead quality and search terms. Very, very powerful, guys. If you guys are looking to add this to your campaign, whether you're running a broad match campaign or whether you just want to reduce the amount of time it takes to add search term or add negative search terms, this is the perfect script for that. So make sure you go down below in the comments, in the description, click on that link and get this script set up in your guys' Google Ads campaign today. If you guys got any use out of this video, you liked what you saw, maybe this can help you out, make sure you hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more helpful Google Ads content.